Hello everyone and welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant Doodh Laddu, a rich and creamy sweet that's melt in your mouth. No khoa, no condensed milk, just a few simple ingredients and you will have the perfect festive treat in minutes. In a pan, add 2 cups of milk powder and 1 cup of milk. Mix well and cook on low heat. Milk powder gives the same richness as khoya but takes much less time. Stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Always cook on low heat to prevent burning. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee. Keep stirring continuously for smooth texture. Keep stirring. Now add another 1 teaspoon of ghee. Don't overcook or the mixture will turn dry. Cook until the mixture separates from the pan and turns soft and doughy. Let it cool down for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup powdered sugar and mix well until smooth. Milk laddus are rich in calcium and protein. They give instant energy and are perfect for kids. A small piece can satisfy sweet cravings naturally. Make small round laddus. You can flavor it with cardamom or rose water for extra aroma. Top with soaked saffron. Pistachios and saffron add healthy fats and antioxidants. Some crushed pistachios for that royal touch. Doodh Laddu is literally means milk ball in Hindi. This version is inspired by traditional pera and barfi sweets. So that's our instant Doodh Laddu. Creamy, quick and simply delicious. Perfect for festive moments or a sweet cravings anytime. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Comment below what's your favorite Indian sweet. See you again with another easy homemade treat.